Hi guys, welcome to the Full Send RC YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the battery expansion kit on my Rustler VXL. The process is the same for other cars. The Stampede is a little bit different, so read the instructions. Here you can see how short the old one is and how tall the new one is, so you can fit a lot bigger battery in. We're going to remove the body post. It takes about a 5.5mm wrench, or if you have the toolkit, it's a lot easier to use the socket kit. We're going to just unscrew it and screw in the new one. On this post I'm showing you how to do it with the wrench, but on the other one I'll show you how to do it with the socket. It's the same process, just with a different tool. It goes a lot faster if you use the socket though. It's preferred because of the antenna sticking up right there. Because if you use the wrench, you would have to go around the antenna and take the wrench off a lot, which would take a lot longer. This is one of the simpler upgrades on your car, but it can be a lot more fun because you can drive your car for a lot longer with a bigger battery. Thanks for watching my video. I'm posting a new video every Friday at 6 p.m. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss any more of my cool videos like this.